comprehensive generator cleaning and sanitation. Conducted thorough cleaning and washing of the generator, ensuring the removal of dirt, rodent feces, and any other unwanted debris inside. Focus on deep sanitation to maintain operational efficiency and prevent potential damage or contamination. The generator stood covered in layers of dust and grime, a clear indication that deep cleaning was overdue. The first step was to tackle the surface, wiping away accumulated dirt and debris that had settled over time. Every inch was carefully cleared, ensuring no residue remained. Once the exterior was clean, the focus shifted to the interior inspection. Opening the generator revealed unwanted contaminants, rodent feces, and scattered debris had found their way inside. A meticulous check was necessary to identify and remove every trace, preventing potential damage or health hazards. With the inspection complete, deep cleaning began. Using appropriate cleaning solutions, the interior components were washed and sanitized, ensuring the generator was free from contamination. Extra care was taken to reach every hidden corner, making sure no dirt or harmful substances remained. Finally, a thorough review ensured all cleaned areas were spotless. Every section was double-checked to confirm the generator was in optimal condition. Once satisfied, the unit was securely closed, now restored to a hygienic and well-maintained state, ready to perform efficiently. To improve our cleaning efficiency, we successfully secured a higher pressure washer borrowed from another section, as our current unit has minor damage and operates at a lower pressure. This upgrade allowed us to repeat the previous cleaning task with significantly better results, ensuring a deeper and more effective wash. With the enhanced pressure washer, we tackled the accumulated dirt, grime, and other unwanted debris much more efficiently. The added power made a noticeable difference in how quickly and thoroughly the surfaces were cleaned, reducing the time and effort needed for each step. Stubborn contaminants that were harder to remove with the lower pressure unit were now effortlessly washed away, leading to a much cleaner and well-maintained generator. Throughout the task, we maintained a systematic approach, carefully covering each section to ensure no areas were overlooked. The increased water pressure allowed us to flush out hidden debris in tight spaces that would have been more challenging to clean with the previous unit. This not only improved the overall cleaning quality, but also contributed to the longevity and maintenance of the generator, preventing buildup that could lead to operational inefficiencies over time. Additionally, using this borrowed washer highlighted the importance of keeping our equipment in top condition. While our original pressure washer is still functional, its lower pressure and slight damage make it less effective for thorough cleaning. This temporary solution has proven invaluable in achieving better results, reinforcing the need to either repair or upgrade our existing equipment in the future. The successful completion of this task reflects our dedication to maintaining a high standard of cleanliness and efficiency. By adapting and utilizing the best available resources, we continue to ensure smooth operations and optimal maintenance practices. Moving forward, we will focus on preserving the condition of all cleaning equipment while maximizing their effectiveness in every task. Experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.